Hi guys, Luck here. As promised, today we're going to do an unboxing of a Reeve's knife. This is the small Inkosi Inlay. It's my first Reeve's knife. I'm very excited to get it. I've been wanting to get one for a while. They're not cheap, so it is a rather big investment in the $400 to $500 range for a little knife. It is a S35VN blade, the titanium scales, micarta canvas, black inlays. So let's check it out. So we get a little bit of paperwork here with it, sticker, history, timeline, pretty cool. Certificate, and when it was made and what kind of model it is. That's pretty cool as well. Registration card. Never registered my knives, but it might be a good idea. A little story about the knife and how it's made, probably. So we'll review that later. Get the nice little Reeve's cloth. This one also came with the custom micarta clip. I wanted to match the knife. And here's the knife. It's actually a really small knife. I don't want to get the big one. Not even that it was more expensive. It's just I felt like it might be too big. This is actually really tiny. It's more like a little backup everyday carry knife. Got the Idaho made logo. And this is a new design. I believe it came out 2018. Very cool looking blade. It's actually a bigger blade than you would expect on a small knife like this because of the design. Nice little thumb grip here. Pretty comfortable for a little knife. I mean, a little small. I just wanted to get one, and I mean, I'm not disappointed. The price range is about $450 for this knife. That is a lot. If I'm even going to carry it, I don't know. Titanium blasted finish, really cool. Love the micarta, feels really good. Clip I'm going to replace with the new one I got. So that should look really cool on it. Nice matching set. See if we can flick this open. I was reading reviews and supposedly this gets in the way of flicking it. So it's something you get used to. But it seems to work just fine. Super smooth opening. I mean, like, nice solid click. No blade plate whatsoever. I mean these are top of the line knives from what I hear. Nice lock mechanism. Let's hear that close again. Nice and clean, smooth. So yeah, really cool knife. I mean, I'm no knife expert to give you a super detailed review. This is just my personal quick look at it. But it's really fun to open this thing. Can't wait to actually test it and cut some things with it. We'll probably do another video of that. Just see how it holds up. I mean, it is good steel on this thing, and they're known to be sharp. Probably get a little leather pouch for it as well to carry it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this will help you make a decision of your own. Let's get a quick comparison to Spyderco paramilitary too. Little different range, but just to give you a size comparison to a very popular knife. So as you see, this is the small Reeve's version, not the large. So as you see, you know, blade. Yeah, I think it's a 275-inch blade, something like that. Let's compare it to a ZT, more of similar size category. This is the ZT 0460. So both kind of smaller category knife. Nice little everyday pocket carry that, or if you take it out, you're not going to scare people with it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this was informational for you. Really cool looking knife. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this. Subscribe. I'll be posting a lot more videos about knives and other things, as well as some DIY fix-it stuff. So check me out. Thank you.